So today we are going to discuss about how to find the slope of a line. So slope of a line means just the slantness of that line. For example, suppose you have a line like this with 2 points on it, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then there is a formula for finding slope. We can denote the slope using letter M. Then M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So M is the slope. So the formula for finding slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That means the change in y coordinate over the change in x coordinate. For example, suppose you have a line like this with coordinates 2, 8 and 5, 12. Then we can find the slope using this formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here y2 is, this is x1, y1. We can take the first point as x1, y1 and second point as x2, y2. Then y2 is 12 minus y1 is 8 over x2 is 5 minus x1 is 2. So 12 minus 8 is 4 over 5 minus 2 is 3. So slope of this line is 4 over 3. Okay, another example. Suppose you have a line like this. Then let it be negative 4, 10. Next point, negative 1, 5. Okay, we can take the first point as x1, y1. Then next point as x2, y2. Then the formula is slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is equal to, here y2 is 5. So 5 minus 10 over, then x2 is negative 1, negative 1 minus negative 4. So this is equal to 5 minus 10 is negative 5. Negative 1 minus negative 4 becomes negative 1 plus 4. So this is equal to negative 5 over negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3. So the slope is negative 5 over 3. Next, we can take a horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. So 2 points on it. Let it be 2, 4 and next point 9, 4. Okay, these are the 2 points on that line. Then we know slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is equal to, here the first point is x1, y1 and next point is x2, y2. So y2 is 4 minus y1 is again 4 divided by x2 is 9 minus x1 is 2. So this is equal to 4 minus 4, 0 divided by 9 minus 2, 7. That means this is equal to 0. Okay, finally, we can take one vertical line. This is a vertical line. So I'm going to take 2 points on it. The first point, let it be 2, 3 and next point 2, 8. Okay, so let it be this one be x1, y1 and this be x2, y2. So M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 2. which is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5 over 2 minus 2 is 0. When 0 comes in the denominator, this is not defined. Okay, so we could see 4 cases. The first one, when the line is like this, the line rises up from left side to right side, then the slope is positive. Then second case, when the line falls down from left side to right side, here the slope is negative. And third case, when this line is a horizontal line, the slope is 0. And finally, when it is a vertical line, the slope is undefined. Undefined. Okay, so you know how to find the slope of a line when two coordinate points are given. So next thing is, what is intercept of a line? So for example, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Suppose you have a line like this. Then this point is 0, comma b. That means the point on the y-axis is 0, comma b. And this point is a, comma 0. That means the point on the x-axis is a, comma 0. So here, this b is known as y-intercept. We can say the y-coordinate where the line passes through the y-axis is known as y-intercept, and A is known as x-intercept. That means the x-coordinate where the line touches the x-axis is known as x-intercept. For example, you have a line like this. This is x-axis and y-axis. Let this point be 0, comma 5 and this point be 3, comma 0. Then here B or y-intercept. Y-intercept is 5. Y-intercept is the y-coordinate where the line crosses the y-axis. Then x-intercept is x-intercept is 3. X-intercept is the x-coordinate where the line crosses the x-axis. Then next, you know what is slope of a line and x-intercept and y-intercept of a line. Then if you know the slope of a line and y-intercept of a line, then you can write the slope-intercept form of that line. Slope-intercept form of that line as y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. For example, suppose the equation of a line is y is equal to 3x plus 8. Then you can say here m is 3 and the y-intercept b is 8. Okay, I will show another example. Suppose the line, linear equation of that line is y is equal to negative 2 over 3, negative 2 over 3x plus 5. So here we can see that the coordinate of x is, coefficient of x is negative 2 over 3. So m is negative 2 over 3, that is slope is negative 2 over 3, and y-intercept is 5. Okay, so today we discussed about slope, intercept, and how to write slope-intercept form of a line. Okay, we can discuss the remaining things in the next class. See you in the next class. Bye.